Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. So guys, I know it has been long, pardon me. It has been long guys. I am so busy with product and so busy with my online training class. And if you want to learn how to make multiple skincare products, like you want to go into the skincare business, then you have to register for our online training class. We just started the one of this year. We started this month, so you can also join. Just try to contact me via my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is below the description box. Just take my WhatsApp number and you can write me. Then in few weeks you will become a big skincare. Today we are going to be talking about RODL cleanser for a very beautiful skin, especially your face. This cleanser is going to do a lot when it comes to your skin. So we have different type of RODL cleanser. So this one is the Papaya cleanser, okay, and this one is the Kunkuba cleanser, and this one is the plain cleanser. So now I'm going to be telling you the functions of this cleanser, and they have different types and the functions of the different types. So first I'm going to start with the Papaya cleanser. So this is the Papaya cleanser. So this cleanser is very effective. It helps to smooth your face, like it gives you a blemish free skin soon. You know, that kind of skin that you have, you don't even need to do makeup. Like you want to go out, then you have to be doing your makeup. Like you cannot go out without you doing makeup. No, this cleanser is really going to help you. This one is made with the papaya extract, guys. So if you want to aim for lightening and skin blemishes, I will advise you to go for this papaya extract cleanser. This one is really good. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you the functions of this cleanser. So this helps to clean your face. It is called deep cleansing. So let me show you something. You can see when you shake this together, you can see the foam. You can see the foam in it. So it helps you to clean your face. Like most people that have pores, if you have pores, it's just going to help to remove extra dirt from your face. And this cleanser is it also helps to moisturize your skin, like that softness. Some people do spray it on their face, like when they can pour it into a spray container and they will be spraying it on their face during the summertime, like if you're going out during the summertime. So I've seen someone who always do something like that, but for me, I would prefer you use this to wipe your face after taking your bath or even before taking your bath. Now when you come to cleaning the face with a cleanser, most people will tell you that you should clean your face before you go and take your bath. Like you take your cotton wool and you add this on your cotton wool and you use it to wipe your face, then you go and take your bath. Yes, so that is how some people normally do theirs, but for me, I do mine after taking my bath. Okay, after washing my face, taking my bath, then I use this to clean my face. That is the best way for me, because you have to allow it to sit on your face. Okay, you have to allow this stuff to sit on your face. But the thing is that if you have a very sensitive skin, it is better to do this before you go and take your bath. Like you can use it to clean your face, then like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you can go and take your bath. And how to use this product, guys, if you know you have a chapped skin, should I say chapped skin? If you know you have a broken skin, you know that some people that their skin is already broken. Like most people who have pimples, they tend to like pinch the pimples, try to open the mouth of the pimples. You don't need to use this cleanser on your face if you know that your face is already chapped. Okay, if your face is broken, no, you have to allow your face to heal then before you can start using this cleanser. And this cleanser is going to lighten up your face. If you're using the papaya one, it will help to lighten up your face. One thing about lightening the face, it helps to lighten those dark spots. Remember, this is for lightening, and if you have dark spots, it helps by lightening those dark spots. It returns to brown. From brown, you start seeing the dark spots fading away gradually. And one thing is that this should not be your everyday routine. No, please, it should not be your everyday routine. So why I said it should not be your everyday routine, if you have a rough skin, a dark face, face with blemishes, and this can also help with pimples. So if you're using this thing, immediately you notice that you have gotten to, like, you have gotten your desired skin, like your desire, what's like the things you have on your face, they are no longer there anymore. Then you stop. Okay, you stop it. It is very important. Don't just continue going and going and going. The reason why I said you should not continue going and going and going, because this is made with alcohol. Okay, now this is made with alcohol. It's made with ethyl alcohol. It's made with boric acid. And allantoin is very great. Panthenol is very great. It helps to moisturize your skin. And what else? Menthol is here. Papaya fruit extract is here. So because of the alcohol, this should not be your everyday use. It should not be your go-to-go use. Once you have achieved your desired skin tone, then you stop it. So whenever you notice that your face is becoming rough or your face is rough, then you start using this. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to still use this again. For most people that want to go into formulations, there's a way you can still use this that will make your product, like, if you want, it's okay, let's go to the next one. So now guys, this one is the I don't know if you can see this one is the papaya. Sorry, not papaya, this one is a concuba. Okay, this is a concuba RODL cleanser. So this one is more gentle. So I don't know if you know about concuba when it comes to the skin. Concuba is mostly used for a skin that has been like for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, this one is really great. If you have dark under eye circle, this one is great. When it comes to like calmness, the concuba extract is very calm. So you can use this for dark under eye circle. You can use this one for a burnt skin. It's going to help when it comes to burnt skin and dark under eye circles. Okay, so this very one is not really for lightening, but it's going to help for dark under eye circles. It's going to help for pores. It's going to help for burnt skin around your all these yama this side. You know, some people do have it due to sunburn or due to stress, things like that. So if you have that kind of skin, or maybe for redness, yes, let me put it this way, if you have a red face, this one is good. Okay, so for lightening, you can go for the papaya on lightening blemishes spot, you can go for the papaya on. But when it comes to burnt skin, for redness, you can use this and apply it, use it to wipe out your face after taking your bath. Then you apply your moisturizer. So guys, this thing is made with alcohol. So if you're using this cleanser, make sure that you're using a moisturizer, a face moisturizer. So now most people do not know what face moisturizer is. Okay, so face moisturizer is it can be a facial cream, but we have some facial cream that is just made for skin lightening, stuff like that. Okay, so you can use even a face oil, a facial oil can be served as a face your face moisturizer, or even your serum, like any serum that contains hyaluronic acid can be served as your facial moisturizer, because this thing is made with alcohol, and alcohol tends to dry out the skin. And this product being made with alcohol is very good for people that have oily skin. Okay, the alcohol helps to wipe out excess oil from the skin. It's good for people that have pimples. Okay, when it comes to alcohol, it's good for the people that have pimples. Okay, so this one is really good for calmness. Maybe you want to make maybe you have a redness, sunburn, you can go for this one. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other one, and this one is the plain. Now I cannot even tell you anything concerning this plain one. Okay, I don't even know the function, because they wrote the same benefits. The benefits they wrote for the RDL and all stuff is the same thing they also wrote here. They call it the plain. Now, if it's, I don't know, if because the water, the liquid inside is plain, that is why they call it plain, or maybe if there is any ingredient called plain, I really do not know. But this one is also good because I have tried it. So I cannot tell you this one is good for pimples, but they also wrote that it's good for pimples and it's good for skin blemishes. So now, for people that do, if you know you are into skincare formulation and you want to make a facial cleanser, like you want to make a facial cleanser for your client, depending on what type of facial cleanser, it could be for sunburn, it could be for lightening, it could be for dark spot, pimples, you can use one of these ones like the way I described before. Maybe for lightening, you can use this papaya one. All you do is to promise it. Okay, you can promise this one with other ingredients and you have a very beautiful facial cleanser. Or you can just go use it direct, like you can sell it direct or repackage or sell it direct. But for it to be really effective, you have to mix it. Okay, same goes as the papaya. Okay, but for the papaya, you can actually mix it and sell it as your redness facial cleanser, or you can just leave this like this. But if you're going to be mixing this, I would prefer you to mix this with a very gentle ingredient, any other gentle ingredient that is as gentle as cucumber. Okay, so you will see most times people do sliced cucumber and they will place it on their eyes. Okay, you see, they will place it on their eyes. It helps with eyes puffiness. I don't know if that English is correct. Like, there are some people that their eyes are puffy, maybe due to stress or wanting, you just see their eyes just coming out like swelling. So people do apply that, like they will slice cucumber and put it on their eyes. So anything when it concerns eyes, cucumber is really good. So for this one, I don't know what to say, but I use this. Is okay. It's made with alcohol. So for people that have sensitive skin, because of the alcohol in it, you try to dilute it. Okay, there are different things you can use in diluting. Come guys, there are different things you can use in diluting your cleanser if you have sensitive skin because of the alcohol in it. Okay, so now you can add rose water to dilute your cleanser. It is perfect. Okay, rose water is perfect when it comes to diluting your cleanser. Or aloe vera, yes, aloe vera extract, like liquid, is also good because it's going to even help for sunburn. Okay, it's very good to dilute your cleanser. So you can use any of this cleanser according to your skin condition, but you use it when you know that your skin is damaged, like you have rough skin, you have dark spots, you have dark under eye circle. But if your skin is fresh, like I think my skin is improving. Sometimes the skin will spoil, sometimes the skin I will still repair it again, you know, because I have oily skin too. So I always battle when it comes to my face. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes when the people start coming, we still have to repair it again. So guys, please, if you have any question concerning this cleanser, just leave your comments below the comment section. Okay, try to follow me on my Instagram page and try to register for our online training class. We just begin from the year right now. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.